Welcome to the Ercall. See, the Ercall is one of the largest remaining sessile oak woodlands in the West Midlands. Awash with bluebells in late spring on the lower ground, the sessile oak, sometimes called the Welsh oak, differs from the English oak by having stalked leaves and stalkless acorns. At the top of the hill, the trees grow low, twisted and stunted by the wind. Pied flycatchers nest here, wavy hair grass blown beneath in the slightest breeze. Oaks are fantastic for insects. In a single day, nearly 900 different species were identified here. This abundance provides a rich supply of food, just the thing for songbirds arriving from Africa and resident birds such as woodpeckers. Two large quarries occupy the centre of the reserve. The blast of dynamite has long since ceased, but its massive force exposed the Earth's most ancient history. Ripples in the rock face tell the tale of a long-vanished seashore. This land would have been lapped by subtropical waves some 500 million years ago. So yeah, there's a website here, the www.shropshirewildlifetrust.org.uk, for more information about the local area. And yeah. So as we just saw in the signpost, 500 million years ago, 500 million years ago, where I'm standing now was on an ancient shoreline. And because of that,